It's hard to write out an apology. Am I the person I'm supposed to be? 'Cause I'm a lover in a fighter's club. If my words fail to hold true, then I think you should know. I couldn't tell you to leave if I had to, but I can't make you believe that I want you. So please come over and I'll make right all the sad nights and hard lines, and I will look you in the eye, 'cause it's not over yet.
Here we go.